Let me tell you something most people won't tell you about Lekki Phase 1. The people who bought at Lekki Phase 1 early never made noise. They just got richer quiet. 15 years ago, people said Lekki Phase 1 was too expensive. They waited, they hesitated, they thought prices would drop. But today, many of them can't afford what they ignore. Lekki Phase 1 is not just a location, it is where Lagos power lives. We have the CFO, we have expatriates, top professionals, and high net worth families, high net worth individuals living over there. And is almost finished here in Lekki Phase 1. Demand is global, and that's why prices don't crash. They only move in one direction, always moving up. Now, here is the investment opportunity most smart investors are taking quietly. We currently have a luxury 2-bedroom apartment right in the heart of Lekki Phase 1 available for sale. This is not just for living, it is a high income asset that you need to own right now. With owning this 2-bedroom apartment, you can earn strong rental income. You can run it as a short let from premium guests, and whenever you decide to sell, this location gives you serious resale value. Lekki Phase 1 screens demand. Executives, diaspora returnees, corporate tenants, they are always looking for apartments right here. So your unit doesn't stay empty, your money works for you while you sleep. If you understand wealth, you understand this. Prime location is leverage, ownership is power, and timing is everything. These units will not wait. Serious investors are already positioning themselves. So if you want to book a private inspection and secure your unit before the prices move again, send me a message with the word Lekki unit and you will be booked for a private inspection. This is available for serious investors only.